Sorry, folks, but we had that reversal. We made price at the bottom here. We took out half of this bar over there on the upside. Right now, we got another breakout going back up. We had that breakout where we bought it over here early in the day, selling out at the top, half bar short, coming out. Price is made. Once again, the platform just keeps doing it over and over and over. And Apple's been strong on these little turns all day, but they sure make you a lot of money. And the thing about it is, that's a live trade. I'm above 90. That's the breakout. I'm above half of that bar. Here's where the breakout happened. Right here, we had a 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. On the 15, half of the bar, that mathematical line became support, half of the bar closing price. There's that breakout, and we'll be selling back at the top. Another huge breakout long off of that bottom in that price action, using this black box down here, using the system that was designed for them, using their brain functions. And we got good directional movements. So when you're taking those moves in both directions, that money adds up at the end of the trading day, and that's how the MMT has a big paycheck, bigger than the private sector paychecks, because we know how to do this with this system. And right now I've got that bid and ask trend ratio, that's at 83 by 84. When that thing was down here, that current ratio then was at 73. I've gone up to 83. So when that trend ratio goes in the favor, that's when the mathematical prices are all populating right in here. And it tells us exactly where the row is that it's on. It highlights it blue in there. So basically, let's get back over to the brain. If I start to fall here below 80 in that trend ratio, this move will get weak. Because the trend ratio is our mathematical ratio, not the bid and ask. That's what we're trading. When that gets weak, the top end of this move from here to there gets weak. We got to stay above half the bar. Otherwise, we're going to cash in the trade. And we have to stay above 90 here for this to hold. This was the price action down here at 286.58. You got in, you make a dollar movement. Almost $2 right here in that move. That's a great long position. That's what the price action is willing to give. And here's the bid and ask right now. We're going higher at 64. There are the print, 65, 67. There's that breakout. It's holding half of that bar. Once again, what a nice $2 move right off of that low. And this SMF market maker platform tells them how to get in, when to get in, all the reasons why. Those trend ratios are moving higher right here. It's at 92. So we're above 90, and we're getting that bigger breakout. We're going to take a look at where our exit is going to be right here and right now. Right now, it's exactly 12:37 p.m. Markets have got about 23 minutes left. We're printing down at 53 by 56. Half of that bar just so happens to be 287.45. I got to hold above 287.45, or I start locking in my profits. Bid and ask 52 by 56.